Okay, today, my mother, Bev, she works here, has done for 20 odd years, doing just accounts end of month and stuff like that. So, she drives a 1996 Toyota Corolla. It's an old heap of junk, but Dad's too bloody tight to buy her a new car, so I have bought her this as a gift, as a new car. I'm going to get her to help me. She doesn't know anything about it. I'm going to park it over there. I'm going to ask her to bring it in for me, just because I might be busy or something, and then I'm just going to drop it on her that this is her new car. She's going to freak out, I'd say. So she might have trouble driving it at first. I'm only driving from that driveway into this driveway. So anyway, let's see what she does.
All right.
She's gonna ruin it.
Hey?
Well, she started it.
She got it going.
She got it going.
Doing work. Straight into a pole?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Straight into the park car. Here she comes, look at her. Miss Daisy.
Okay.
Yeah, let's bring it in. You better come. Light to steer. Oh, it would be, wouldn't it? It's a newer car, isn't it? This is a brand new car. We'll get it. No, it's done 37 Ks. You like it?
I love it.
Really? It's yours.
Truly?
Yep.
Truly?
Yep. It's for you.
Oh, thank you. Oh my god.
Yep. It's yours. It's for you.
Is it really?
Yep.
Oh,
You need your car.
I do.
Yep.
Oh, that is so. Oh.
And you're being filmed.
I'm filming.